This is amazing. Wow. Nice.
Okay, babe.
Wow. Honey, come on.
Is it all you dreamed about?
Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Nasa ilalim na kami ng bundok, Rocky Mountain. Wow. Grabe. Here we are. Oh. Here we are. Oh. Hanap na namin ang large dito. Diba ang ganda? Shoes. This is it. Pansit. Ay, ano ba yun? Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda.
Nice little high, clear bench.
Honey, here.
I gotta get down the tree something.
Yeah, here.
Closer, asan eh?
Bawal na kanyiwi.
Maganda pa doon, sa likod niya na yun. Yung maganda pa dyan.
Look at that. You're standing under the big one. She's under the short one.
Look at this. Oh, grabe. Oh.
So, is it working?
Honey, let's go there on that gravel later and so that we can see this.
Look.
Well, we're going to go right there, and you'll be able to see everything.
Diri, Wing. Honey, here. Wing, come na, Wing. Here. Ayun, dali mo, dali. Honey. Look at that, oh.
Yes, I know. Look at it. I see it every day.
I see it every day.
Okay. It's different rocks, eh. Rocky Mountain.
Well, once we get out on that nub there, you'll be happier.
Oh, okay. Sabi niya, we'll be happier daw pagdating doon. May naamoy akong pupo. What smells, honey?
What's the smell, honey?
Seems like poopy. Huh? Grabe, ang ganda. Amazing. Oh. Oh. Agoy. This is it. Pansit. Nawala ng aming tour guide. Oh. Okay.